So welcome. We're going to start about the editor now. Um, so let's debugging it. Let's start. So let's say we need to make a new document. Let's write some text. New document was created. So check your previous text here, showing a bit of your text that was written before. Let's do the save now. Save. Okay, so remove the text, and now let's reopen it. And here we see the text again. You can exit the application. So that is really simple. It's here. Example, the open and save. Now there is the commands, of course, because as we know, WPF has a different kind of instance for save file dialog and open file dialog. So to accept it, has to be like system.ios, something like that for it. But in order to do that, first you have to make the commands and then do it in here, and it will be, as you can see, you will be able to use open file dialog by then. And then in here, as you can see, making the command which one that you click will do the execution. In this case, this is the open, this is the save. As for the exit, this is the exit underscore click. This is an event, but it in other words too. Making the application.current.shutdown. Example, the current application will shut down. New also, there is a click event. Let me find it. Oh, here. So here making a text range to see the start and the end of the document, and of course a status of the label will go visible after then. Then checking if there is more than one of text linked. Let's say there is, example, one character at least, you will be able to make a new document. Else it will show you nothing to clear. Obviously, if there is nothing to clear, there's no point to make the command for a new flow document. Next will be this one for the editing tools. So let's say have the text in here. Let's say we do this. We cut them. We can paste them. We can copy this and can paste it. Of course, if it will see that, as you can see in here, this is excuse me, just was uploading another video. So here the paste command, the copy command, and the cut command. You're creating a command for it. Next will be the more. Now in documents normally you won't see like a more for more options stuff when there is the font family and so on, but I had to come up with some other idea to not copy the idea for Microsoft Word and many other editors that trying to make it unequivalent to from the original as we know. So let's say we write again some few text just to test it out, and let's say we change the font family of this one. The font family has been changed, again has been changed. Can make it like this, there is plenty. Can change the font size, can make this bold, excuse me Rust, I think I wrote something in there by mistake. Making it bold, italic, underline, and let's say we have some text that we would like to make a background color, like a highlighter, and also you can do text coloring too. This is an additional feature for this assignment that I am doing. As you can see, this is an assignment, and hopefully you like my editor. It's not that kind of a complex editor, but I'm trying my best to make a good editor. Now let's explain the code about it. It's really simple. First of all, on loaded event, I am just making the font family in here. Sorry, in here. The font size in arrays. Making also the entire colors that exist in the system. So I won't need to add the colors myself, and just getting the name and adding it, because as you can see, maybe some new color being created and it will be implemented by Microsoft. I don't have to edit, it will be there automatically implemented. The selection of font family and font size at when the Windows begin loaded. Here this is dependent panel regarding how I wish. For example, when I loading it, I want the panel will be hidden, and after then if I click on more, it will show it. In this case, it is this one. Next will be the menu, coloring, styling of it. I made a for each for both. This is for file menu and this for edit menu. I made the foreground, the background, the border brush, border thickness, and this is another with the border, how much I want it to have a stroke in it. The padding of it also. And next we go about here, apply the property value. So when you example making a new font family, or selecting a new font size, or selecting a new color, can be anything, you have to edit, but this is really a simple way to edit. In other words, from here, let's say we move font family, and we add foreground. In other words, here will be affected the foreground. Okay, I know that in this case we have a new font family, not selection item. The selected current item, that color doesn't exist because it's a font family. But if, for example, this was of the background color selection or the text color selection. And example, we say it is the current item I said it was red. I am getting the property of it and the selected item value of it, the text, and applying it the value in here, the property value will be applied in here. So let's edit it again. This is really simple and really helpful. From a property like this can make many things and make your editor really amazing. And if example you are thinking about to make some kind of a really good editor, maybe trying to open your own company in future regarding some kind of editor or something, and wish to making a good editor such like Microsoft Word and so on. I also think about the copyrights, of course, but it helps also not just in editors. Background property, you can use it also in other kind of things, such as making example the chat, the font size and font family, can change it anything you like to. This is can be in any kind of program that you wish to change the styling of something. Hopefully you like this, and hope you can rate it. Hope you can give good feedback. Help me out by giving me better guides to make other things on a simple way, so I can make my future assignments more easier. Especially that I am learning now with Unity. It's also a subject I am focusing on it more because it's really important, and it is my future goal to go for creating my own game. A good game, of course. And thank you for watching this. Have a good day.